Hello, welcome to my channel. If you like today's video, please like, share and subscribe. That helps my channel grow. So we'll get right into it. I thought I'd share this handy trick. If you have a small thumbnail drawing and you need to transfer it to a much larger canvas or support, there's a very easy, very simple way to do this, and I'm going to show you. Here's my thumbnail sketch, and you can see it's much smaller than the canvas that I want to use. So what I do is take a pencil and divide my thumbnail in half in both directions, and I do this same thing to my canvas. It gives me 4 squares, and then I divide each of those squares in half, and I end up with 16 squares. Each of those squares contains a little portion of my thumbnail painting, or my thumbnail drawing rather, and I can easily transfer exactly the same part of the drawing to my canvas, which also has 16 squares. And just to make sure that you haven't made a mistake, check that you have the same number of squares on each of your canvas and your thumbnail drawing. I find it very easy to transfer that drawing if you only have to work with one square at a time. One square that has a little top end of a chimney pot in there, or a poplar tree, or part of the house, or the gate. It's much simpler to work that way, and eventually you'll build up the entire picture. So I hope you can make use of this little trick. It's helped me over the years, and thank you for watching. And please remember, if you have time, like, share and subscribe. You don't have to share, but liking is really important to us YouTubers, and subscribing is wonderful. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.